So I'm getting great use out of the cedar and redwood paddleboard, but one of those questions I just haven't been able to solve is how tough is this stuff really? It's I've dropped it not seriously a couple of times and it's barely made a scratch. So I'm just thinking this thing is bomb proof, but I want to get down and see if I can see how strong it really is. So for this test, what I'm going to do, I've got this hammer rigged up, just a little lever, right angles like this, drop it. Now I don't think we're going to surprise anyone here. The 1/8 inch cedar boards with 6 inch fiberglass is easily going to be the strongest and noisiest. Mere dent. So not even coming close to damaging those boards. Scratching the surface, that's it. Might have to go to the next phase of testing. Representing paddleboard build, bit of artwork, 6 gram fiberglass. I hit that pretty hard. Did crack the wood. See? Did crack the wood there. It was a pretty hefty hit. I think you can tell how hard that's hit. Two massive hits. Bit of a crack.